Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into the process of transforming this not so great sketch in my sketchbook into something better. I'll be doing a quick loose study inspired by scenes from The Shape of Water. But before I jump into painting, let's take a moment to analyze the scenes. Since this is a loose study, I'm not getting bogged down with every detail. Instead, I'm focusing on the color scheme and the dramatic lighting. I've blurred the image to pinpoint the predominant colors: yellow, greens, and blue. Now let's talk value. Converting the reference to extreme black and white reveals pockets of lights in the image. These are the areas where I'll avoid using too many dark colors for dynamic effects. Now onto the tools. I'll be using a flat brush with longer nylon hair. Why? It helps me paint in a looser fashion by ignoring unnecessary details. I've even cut it into half for easy transportation. And for water containers, I recommend 3. One for dirty water, one for semi-dirty, one for clean water. To start the study, I'm blocking out major darks and lights, intentionally ignoring the finer details. Remember that unsatisfying sketch from the café? Mentally, I'm brushing aside those pen lines. Moving on to colors, my palette includes yellow ochre, yellow cat light, a bit of orange, and some turquoise blue. I might mix in some burnt umber for those dark blues. As the wash is drying, I lay in the darker area, keeping it loose and not overly concerned about shape accuracy at this point. Once the initial wash is dry, I shift my focus to painting shadow shapes with dark greens and darker blues. I manage the value structure by mixing in darker areas with thicker pigment while checking for soft edges. I paint around the yellow areas to maintain the lighting. For a loose study, I boldly charge in various pigment, testing the limit of color within the wash without worrying too much about spillage. When things are relatively dry, I add white to some mixes to bring back areas of light. White essentially turns my watercolor into wash, making it opaque and allowing me to paint over surfaces. Once there's enough well-placed light corresponding to my value chart, it's time to remove the tape and review the study. What are your thoughts on this loose study reviving an existing sketch? Comment below and let me know. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more artistic adventure. Until next time, happy creating!